I go by the name of Neo, honor and a pleasure to meet you all. I'd like to welcome everybody to the show. This show is a celebration of life, a celebration of love, a celebration of music. So we're gonna run the whole gamut of emotions while we're here. We're gonna laugh a little bit, we might cry a little bit, we definitely gonna sing a little bit, we absolutely gonna dance a little bit. But above all, we're gonna live it up. Are y'all ready to live it up? Let's go! And let's toast it up! We're gonna let these three ladies do their thing, and I'm gonna let you all be the judge and decide who did the best, okay? Very simple, here we go. Contestant number one. Wait, hold on. You ready to go right now? Okay, hold on, give me some information, come on. What's your name?
Clarissa.
And where are you from?
From Shillong.
From Shillong, here we go! 1, 2, 3. Baby, push back when I go down. Hey! Put back on me. Baby, put back when I go down. Baby, let me know you like it. Tonight we'll get on something to see. Hey, hold up! Okay. Contestant number 2. Okay. Now, what's your name?
Jing.
And where you from?
Shillong.
From Shillong! 1, 2, 3. Baby, put back when I go down. Baby, put back when I go down. Hey, finally got with you. I might change your mind about what you think you like. So baby girl, if I ain't got with you, I might change your mind. Baby, if I ain't got with you. Woo! Ooh, it's something about, just something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. There's something about her. Hey, break it down now. Hey, 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 hey. Got somebody sexy, tell her.